Well, I have water, so can I sit that side?
Sure. There you go.
There you go.
More comfortable?
Are we on a date?
It seems like it.
Okay, should we start this?
Let's go.
Let's go. Hello everyone.
Hello, hello.
Welcome to our channel,
At home edition.
or AT Home Edition, because my name is Andrea.
And I'm Tristan.
This is our first video. We are basically going through a huge life revamp and we wanted to capture this chapter in our lives. We used to live in UK for about 10 years, or give or take. Tristan has been there for a bit longer, and now we are moving to my home country, Romania, and soon to be Tristan's home country as well.
Yeah, so basically this channel is just going to be following our journey from living with Andrea's parents when we get there to obviously building our home.
The first step to be moving to Romania was to buy a van, which yes, ultimately will be revamped as well and potentially a motorhome made out of it. But for now, it had a very important job.
Yeah, so its sole purpose was literally just to pack all of our stuff that we were going to be taking across to Romania.
So let's take you on that journey.
We've been thinking about this for a while but hadn't really done anything about it. And then one day Andrea just woke up and decided, you know what? She bought some tickets for a flight back to Romania to go and buy the van. The next day we were taking that flight to Romania. Yeah, then the next thing we know we are driving 4 or 5 hours to go look at a potential van.
It's been a few months ago and a lot has happened since, but we wanted to show you almost each step of our way and how we got to where we are today. Buying the van was actually super easy this time. We had a budget, we sort of stuck to the budget eventually, although we were sort of jumping up and down on our budget, but we got it at a good price, we drove it back home, and we quickly started to planning the next steps in our journey.
Yeah, things seemed to move pretty quickly after that. We got the van, came back, I put in my resignation, and we moved in with my parents for a while. And then literally Andrea flew back to Romania to then come along with her brother to bring the van back so we could load everything up and take it across to Romania.
Which was also a very, very fun journey. But before that, there's a little bit of clip of when we attempted our first time doing this video. Hello everyone!
Hello!
Welcome to our channel. This is our first video. We are basically selling up in UK. We're gonna be building our own house, homestead. We literally bought a ticket 2 days before we came. We started looking for the vans that it was in our budget, and we just ended up buying it yesterday, and today we are going back. Yeah, and this is our room. So we actually gonna live with my parents for a while. We are building our own home and we have a very limited budget. That home build will be captured on this channel as well, so please follow along if you would like to know how to build a house, I suppose.
Or if you just want to see us going through the whole experience.
Failing? No. Definitely succeeding. So the journey back was very fun, I would say. I love car journeys. Tristan?
Not so much. It's the time and the comfortable aspect of it. Yeah, so one of the main reasons why we took the van was because of our cats. We wanted to take our cats with us back to Romania, and the easiest way was by van, really.
Yeah, definitely land is a preferred choice to airplane. We didn't have anything going directly into the airport we fly to, and this way the cats were with us all the time and we could take very good care of them. So going from UK to Romania, you go through a fair few countries.
Yeah, I think we went through Dover to France, then we went to Belgium, then into Austria, Germany.
Oh no, the other way around. Germany,
Austria,
Hungary,
and then into Romania. I think the drive itself was pretty straightforward. Andrea's brother drove the most, but we split it quite well. From my perspective, it was quite difficult. I think it was hard to sleep in the van, but we took regular breaks. We stopped feeding, obviously, give cats water and food. Take breaks
we were meant to
ourselves.
feed ourselves as well with some well-known fast food franchise. I don't know what happened with that, but we ended up in a cheap supermarket with some huge salami and bread. Do we even have tomatoes?
I don't know if we had tomato. We had both mustard.
Yeah. Oh, and mustard.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Well, yes, it's not something we planned, but hey, it's in our budget, so I suppose it's good for us. So we hope you enjoyed this quick video of our trip to Romania.
And follow along to see the rest of our journey.
Bye bye.
How do you say hotel?
At home edition.
At home. I wasn't sure it was AT home edition.
You can say that.
At home edition.
Or AT home edition.
I think at home edition's better.